My tub faucet is dripping. As you can see, the hot water is leaking after it is turned off. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how to fix it. First thing to do is to turn off the main water line. It is very important, otherwise you will waste a lot of water and it will be difficult to work too, especially if it's hot water. Cover the bathtub hole so you don't drop any screw or other parts. Remove the cap using a flathead screwdriver. Look out for the gap around the cap. This is the place to insert the screwdriver. Using the applicable screwdriver, remove the center screw. In my case, it is a Phillips. Place the screw in a safe place where you don't lose it. Next, remove the cartridge using a wrench. Make sure to go counterclockwise. I'll be replacing this O-ring and this rubber washer. Remove the O-ring by pinching it from the side and install an identical one. The O-ring and washer are easily available at a hardware store. Just take the old ones to the store and make sure to buy the identical ones. You can also replace the whole cartridge that comes with O-ring and washer pre-installed. Next, replace the rubber washer. I have installed the new rubber washer. Make sure it sits evenly all around its edges. Reinstall the inner part of the cartridge. Now install the cartridge in the faucet and hand tighten it first so you don't cross thread it. Next, using the wrench, tighten the cartridge. Make sure not to over tighten it. Install the handle. Put the center screw back in and tighten it. Put the center cap back on by simply pushing it in. Turn on the main water line. Let's test our fix. As you can see, there is no water dripping, so the problem is fixed. Was this video helpful? Please comment. Thank you for watching.